Hello guys, can you solve this number puzzle? Comment your answer before my explanation. At first these numbers might look random, but look closely at the numbers on the right. 36, 181. They all are perfect squares. 36 is 6 squared. 100 is 10 squared. And 81 is 9 squared. Now in the first line, how do we get 6 from 4 and 2? We can do this. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's test it on the second line. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 10 squared equals 100. Perfect. One more. 5 plus 4 equals 9, and 9 squared equals 81. So the rule is add the two numbers and then square the result. So for the last one, 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 squared equals 49, and this is our answer.